Elsa, did you hear? Did you hear? Not really. What is it? Elsa is making us a slime. One for you and one for me. Oh, is that what all this stuff is all about? Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited. Me too. Alright, Essie, let's get started.
Hey everyone, this is Essie for Toys Unlimited, and just like Princess Anna said, we are going to make a slime inspired by her and her sister Queen Elsa. We have here two mystery minifigures that look a little bit different than what you would see in stores, and that's because I painted them some color changing nail polish for a color changing video that I made a couple weeks ago. If you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. I'll put a link at the end of this video and also in the description box. But yeah, I figure I just explained to you guys why they look a little bit different. But if you dip this in different temperatures of water, hot and cold, these colors will actually change. So definitely check that video. But for now, we are going to use these as a topper on the slime putty container that we have in here. So they're gonna go something like that. Okay, too much talking, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're gonna need are two bowls and two Elmer glue right here. What we are going to do is just open this up and pour these onto our bowl. So we're gonna pour one Elmer glue bottle on each bowl. Ooh. We'll do the same thing on the other bowl. So we'll put those bowls aside, and the next thing we're going to need is this Borax Detergent. It's a powder detergent that you can buy in Target or in Walmart. I got one in Walmart. And since this is a detergent, you guys need to have your parents to be with you, okay, when you guys are doing this project, just for safety purposes. So I poured some borax in our little container here, that way I can kind of measure it better. In this bowl, I have a cup of warm water, so I'm just going to mix that in with some borax, just probably a tablespoon of borax right here. And even that is a lot already. Maybe a quarter of a tablespoon. Here you go. And we're just going to mix that up until the borax is dissolved. While waiting for our borax to completely dissolve, we are going to start with coloring our glue right here with something that matches Queen Elsa. So I have here blue food color. We're just going to put probably 4 drops in there, make it 5. And then we are going to mix using a spoon. Now if you're not sure as to how dark you want the color to be, you can definitely start with a couple drops and then build your color from there. That way you don't end up with too dark blue. I think I want it a little bit bluer than that, so a couple more drops in there. Ooh, this color is gorgeous. It does remind me of Queen Elsa already. Next, I want this to have a little bit of sparkle, so I'm going to put in some blue glitter onto our mixture. Okay, perfect. Now let's just mix that all in. Wow, that is really glittery. Mix, mix, mix. Now if you cannot see the glitter right now, that's okay, because once you get into the slime part of it, some of these glitters will actually show up better. Alright, now it's time to pour in a little bit of our borax and water mixture. Just a little bit. A little bit of a time is the key to this. And then mix. Make sure you mix fast. You don't want it to harden without mixing it. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my hand just to mix it better. Wow, oh my goodness, this is actually fun, you guys. Ooh. I'm going in with 2 hands just so we can mix it good. Ah! Ooh, it's getting messy in here. All right, I think we're gonna need a little bit more of that borax and water mixture. You see all those glitters already? Ooh, that's so pretty. All right, guys, so excuse my dirty hand, but this is what we got right now. Oh my gosh, we have a slime putty already with glitters on it. This is so Queen Elsa. Oh my goodness, it's stretchy, it's squishy, and it makes some silly sounds. We are going to play with this a little bit more later. For now, let's go ahead and make Princess Anna's slime putty. So here we have Princess Anna's ball of glue. We have here a purple food color. So we're just going to put probably 4 drops of color in there and mix it. Okay, next we are going to put some glitter on it. This one is a pink color of glitter, and just sprinkle it onto our purple glue. All right, mix, mix, mix. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so gorgeous. Next up, it's time for the borax and water mixture. Remember, a little at a time, okay? Ooh, it's gooey already. It's time to dig in. Whoa! This is so fun, man. This is amazing. I love this part actually. Ooh, you see how sticky it still is? So a little bit more of the borax and water mixture. Alrighty, I think this is it. This is the perfect consistency. I actually love this one. I actually love the consistency of this one compared to the other one that we made a while ago. And you can also see the glitter all over this slime putty. So a little recap, here is what we got a while ago for Queen Elsa. We have this blue slime slash putty. It's not as gooey or slimy like slimes out there, but it's not a putty either. So I think it's a good mix between the two, but it's more a putty than anything. It also makes those like funny sounds. Ooh, I love the color of this one, especially the glitter that's in it. And here is the slime for Princess Anna. Whee! It's purple. You can also see the glitters in there. This one is actually softer than the one that we made for Queen Elsa. I'm not exactly sure why, but it could be that because I use a different kind of Elmer's glue. The one that we used for Queen Elsa is this one right here, the regular Elmer's glue one. And the one that I used for Princess Anna is this one that says washable, no-run school glue. So that's probably one of the reasons why this turned out to be stretchier and softer than the one that we made for Queen Elsa. So next time, that's probably the brand or the type of Elmer's glue that I'm going to use. Either way, both are stretchy and squishy. with some funny sounds. So the next thing that we are going to do is put them in our container right here to keep them soft and moist. I just got this container from Target. You can actually pretty much see them in a lot of stores. I'm sure the craft stores has them. I saw them some in Walmart. Ooh, did you hear that? I don't think it will fit the entire thing, so I'm probably going to take out some. Did you fart? Who farted? Ah, this one farted. Ew. All right, to the container they go. And we'll do the same for Queen Elsa's slime putty. Stop it! Stop it, Potty. No, don't stop. I actually like that sound. It's funny. Oh, that one fit. Now we are going to put our figures on top. We can do that by using super glue. Now you want to have your parent help you with this one, you guys. Make a little twirl. There, you don't need a lot. Little goes a long way. And I think this is the front, so I'm just gonna put it in there. And same thing goes for Queen Elsa. Put some glue on there. And this is the front. Now the only thing left to do for us is to decorate the lid part. That way it looks a little bit fancier, okay? Let's do that. And this is optional, you can decorate it however you want to, but I do have this do-vinci style set here. So I'm going to use this for our lids. Alright, this is Princess Anna's putty container. I actually love how the lid turned out. It looks like we have some like little pink roses on the side. For Queen Elsa, I have this like neon and blue do-vinci, so that's what I'm going to use for the inside. I was actually hoping I have like a white glittery do-vinci. That would be perfect, but I don't have one and I'm not even sure if they make those for Da Vinci. So for this Da Vinci, obviously you're gonna have to let this one set up to dry. That way it doesn't get messed up. Yay! We made it, guys! Thank you so much for helping me out in this journey and for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up button below or the like button. And in the comment section, let me know which one of these slime putty and containers is your favorite. Do you like the one with Queen Elsa? Or do you love Princess Anna better? I would really love to know, so leave me a comment, okay? I'll see you guys again next time. My name is Essie for Toys Unlimited. Bye!